Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we're looking at another pair of trainers, and this time they are from DHgate. Now we have used DHgate before, a few times actually, and the trainers always come and they are in absolutely amazing condition and they look absolutely spot on. So I will leave a link to the seller in the description of the video. There's also a discount code of MatchUCX. If you enter that at the point of payment, you can save yourself some money on trainers. It doesn't have to be these ones, it can be any on their site. So the trainers do arrive in a box. Actually they always come by FedEx, and I believe there's a box underneath these as well, which is what keeps the trainer box itself in good condition. So I'm not going to spin it all the way around because it has got all my address details on it, but I just wanted to show you how the trainers arrive. So I said the seller is DHgate.ru, all details in the description of the video. What I'll do now is I'll take the bag, I'll open it, and I'll show you the box that the trainers come in. So underneath the FedEx bag, you do get another box like this. This is what then keeps the trainer box in good condition. This one has been a bit battered in the post. I have already ripped it open on this side, which I was hopeful I could probably give you a first glimpse of what trainers we've ordered. But actually, oh no, there you go. You can see it there. I never know how to pronounce this. Is it ASICs? If you know, please let me know in the comments below, although I don't know how you'll pronounce it. Or type it so that I know how to actually say the word, but yes, either ASICs or ASICs. So yes, you do get this outer cardboard box, which then keeps the trainer box itself in much better condition. So I'll cut the video here, I'll take the trainer box out, and then I'll give you the first glimpse of what trainers we've got. Okay, so we have them out of the box, and it's got the big A, or the symbol of ASICs on the side, and this is the trainers that we have got. Gel Kayano 14s, and as you can see they are UK 10s. These ones are not for me, these are for somebody I work with actually. We're interested in buying a pair of trainers, and I said, well, let's see what I can get you from this site, because then it means obviously I can do a review on them as well. We can see here what the price would have been in the Chinese yen of 1090. I'm not sure what that converts to in Great British pounds, but this box is quite standard itself. If we flip it open, we do have some information here, so don't worry about writing all this down. I'll leave all the info in the description, but this shows you who we've got the trainers from. So DHgate, they've got an Instagram page, this is their WhatsApp where you can contact them on, which is how I speak to them. And then you've also got my discount code of MatchUCX, which will save you $15 off. As I said, all that information will be in the description of this video. If we flip the lid, give you the first look at what trainers we've got. These are looking absolutely lovely. So I'll cut the video again, I'll get the trainers on top of the box, and I'll show you exactly what they are. Okay, we've got them out of the box now, as you can see. These are looking really nice. This is the first time I've brought this brand of trainers in general, actually. Like I said, they're not for me, they are for somebody at work. So what I'll do is figure out how I'm going to do this now. So I think I will let him wear them as we would do normally, and then he can feed back to us, or via me, as to what he thinks to the feel of these are like. But just looking at the outside of them, loving the colour. It's got this gel, is that down? Oh, it's down here, so it's quite soft down there. Guess that's the gel form of it. Really quite squidgy actually. Love that they've already been laced up, makes my life so much easier. Inside we have the standard shoe horns, which is covered in the ASICs branding. I won't take that off, but if we look inside, they're really soft down there as well. And there's all our sizing information. It does look really nice. Let's have a look at the bottom. I'm actually a little bit jealous, to be fair. Okay, I'll cut the video, I'll come back, and then we'll look at the next one. Okay, we're returned, and now we're going to be looking at the right trainer, which actually comes with all these tags on it as well. The inside, again, another shoehorn, which we'll get rid of. And you've got the logo here, which feels like a little bit of metal. It's attached to the lace. But again, looking really nice. I'm loving the design of these. Hoping once he's got them, he'll be loving them as well, because they do look so cool. I've got to say, I don't think this will be the last pair of this brand of trainer that I purchase. I think I'll get some more actually for myself, because yeah, they do look spot on. Okay, slight change of plan, wrapping up the video now, only because I'm not going to see the guy at work for a few days. So I didn't want to make you wait around. I wanted to get this video out to show this pair of trainers from DHgate.ru. For me, I think they look absolutely outstanding. I really like them. I said in the video I'm a little bit jealous of him actually buying these ones. I think maybe I'm gonna have to get myself a pair now, because they do look so nice and they do feel really comfy, especially around the back here and the padding inside with the gel foam around there. Yeah, really nice pair of trainers. So I said the seller is tykick.ru. If you enter MatthewCX at the point of checkout, you'll save yourself $15 off any pair of trainers on their website. If you do have any questions or comments about this seller, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I hope you have enjoyed this video of this pair of trainers. So it's a different brand, not looked at them before, but definitely one that we'll be looking at again more on this channel. So I'll just give you that final look at the trainers, which, as I said, absolutely loving these. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.